I feel good. I look good. Ooh, look at that curl. And this is water wave texture in 20 inches. This is so cute. Alright, I got my girls YWIGS here. Y'all can find this hair off of Amazon, so click the link below so you can get it in 2.5 seconds, okay? It's gonna be at your door before you blink. This is 20-inch water wave hair here. This is the feathered crochet hair with the thread in the middle of the two pieces. And I like when they don't loop it on anything. Can you just put it together like this? This is what I like. I prefer the hair to come together with a little twist tie versus like on some type of ring or loop. So I will be putting the hair on my phone tripod. Installation process a little smoother so I can just flow right through it. I was also sent this little bitty pack. So I'm starting off right here in the front. And it doesn't matter. Sometimes it matters when you crochet your hair if you're pushing the needle up or down. With this style, it does not matter if you pushing your latch hook up your braid or down. It does not matter. Okay, y'all, so I just have this much done so far, but I re-braided this section when I swooped my edges. And I'm gonna go ahead and start to crochet hair over here because I used some gel and that section tends to get hard really quick. And I don't want to struggle. See, look at that. Already like a little struggle. So, yeah. Ow! Ouch. Okay, I'm in the clear. Cause this part where I put that she is bomb goo. Oh, baby, it was tight. Okay, there. That looked really good. Here's the first pack. Ready to start on the second one. And I don't know why I didn't think about this the first time, but I just noticed a different way to crochet the hair in. So put it on the hook and then pull it through. And instead of taking the hook off of the hair and then pulling it through with my finger, girl, just leave it on, bring it around that hair and then pull it back through. Like, why wasn't I doing that at first? Like, look how fast this takes. Boom, 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 boom. What? Versus the way I was doing it at first was boom, boom, boom. Take this off. Boom, boom, boom. No, baby. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Forget all that. Another thing that I'm doing when I crochet the hair on in the back, because you know the back is so spread out with the parts, I crochet one on this side, then this side, like working my way up versus just hitting it down the middle. So this last one was over here, then I'll go over here. It's not perfect, but that's my plan, to go zigzag like that up the braid. I have my hair right here. This is the 4th pack that I'm working on. Okay, so I used 4 packs and I have 1 bundle left that I did not touch. So we're ready to find the curls. I have like this dimming brush, and then I have some Lotta Body and some water. It took a little minute to crochet in the hair, so I would say this took me about 3 hours to crochet this hair in, but it is a lot of hair. This is so cute. Look at all this hair, 4 packs. And this is water wave texture in 20 inches. Like, you can get away with 3 packs, honestly, because this is a lot of hair. Okay, so let's just do this in sections. And this is before I add any product. Okay, so here's with product. And then to compare it, this is the natural state of the curly hair. All right, last section. I'm trying to make sure this section comes over versus like down in my face so it can dry over here and then be like a little you know? So be mindful of how you section off your hair. Ooh, look at that curl. You need to have to zoom that in, Zitty. All right, here's the hair. Yeah, I love the bundled hair for the crochet. Get on the curls close up. Y'all, I completely forgot about this. Let's straighten this right quick. Oh my God. I'm over here like, yep. This is it? No, this is not it. But I went ahead and straightened my leave out. And now I'm just taking my wand curler and curling the leave out. Oops. Whatever. Okay, so next thing I will do is take my holding spray and a comb and just spray my leave out and then try to intertwine the hair together with the tail end of this comb. Yeah. All right, so here's the finished look. It looks so good. The hair look amazing. It's blending in quite nicely. You still might be able to see a couple parts. Love it. Okay, so just a really quick recap. This style took me about 3.5 hours to complete. This is 4 bundles, 4 packs of hair. This is Water Wave 20 inches of their human hair feathered crochet bundles. I feel good. I look good. All right, really quick, I'm taking out my hair. Sometimes I cut it out, sometimes I can just pull it out. But this time I'm taking loose my braids to get it out, like this. And it doesn't come out like super easy. Sometimes I have to like pull my hair apart just to get the hair loose from it. So, and this way I can save my hair and reuse it to crochet the style back in. But the hair was really good quality. I haven't like really touched it since I installed it like 4 days ago. Okay, so all of the hair has been removed, and it's, I want to say by like 2.5 hours later. We're gonna just put it all together as one bundle, but yeah. Here we are with the thread still attached on everything.